So for a frame, we're going to use a rectangular piece of paper, and we're going to divide it in half. So we've got 4 sections there. I'm going to fold that half over, like so, and we're going to pull these corners into the centre, just like so. Now when we've done this, we'll open these back out and open up the piece of paper. And if you just put your fingers behind and just push upwards, paper will go inside out, and you just want to fold back along these sections here so that you can create the same shape but with the bits of paper on the inside, like so. There we go. Now we want to bring this point just down to the bottom there. So it's not all the way down the paper, but you'll see where the inside rectangles lead. So you just see that just to that point there. There we go. Now we're going to flip this over and open up this flap here. And you see here we've got a couple of bits sticking up. All we want to do is to put our thumbs in there, open them out and flatten them down just straight along that crease there. So they've got little triangles. There we go. We're going to do the same on the other side. Just push your thumbs in there and flatten it out. Okay, now what we need is the photo that we're going to use. So I've got a postcard here. I'm just going to put it in the centre of the bit of paper. I'm going to use this as our guide. So I'm going to fold up the bottom bit and just crease it along the bottom of the photo, like so, and the same along the top. And then we're also going to fold up these little flaps on the edge here, just so that they come in as well, just to the corners of the photo there. And the same side, same on the other side, just up. Like so. And we're not quite done yet. We're just going to open these back up. I'm going to take our photo out, just set it for a side for a second. Now we're going to close these flaps where we've just made our guides for the size of the photo, and fold these in. And the same on the other side. So now you see we've got little triangles in these corners here, just in there, so that we can put our photo in. So all we're going to do is just to slide the edges of our photos up into those triangles, and the same on the other side. There we go. So turn it over, just bring this flap out. That's going to be our little strut to keep it standing. And there's your photo frame. Hope you enjoyed.